Between the 3rd and 4th week, the pups go from looking like little potatoes to looking like real puppies. There is no more waddling around and lazily enjoying the milk bar anymore. These pups are unrecognizable from who we welcomed into the world 4 short weeks ago. They now run, climb, and carry toys around. Ears are flopping and hearing everything, and their razor-sharp teeth are making good work of toys and each other. Shrieks and yelping can be heard regularly, along with the playful growls as they play with each other. The puppies are now going potty on their own, so we have introduced a potty spot in their whelping box. It isn't immediate that they figure out this is where they go, but it doesn't take long for them to figure it out. With their mom beginning to nurse them less frequently, we have begun giving them real food. Puppy mush is a very messy process, but it leads to some happy puppies. Here's a growth update for the pups at 4 weeks old.
Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our stories just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
Thanks for watching the Week 4 Pupdate. If you'd like more info about our labs, be sure to check out our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram.